Hello everybody, we're going to do a underwater tutorial with a couple jellyfish and like a coral reef. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out by just making a bunch of random colored spots all over where we want the reef to be. I'm going to do a bunch of different colors. I'm going to end up using a plastic bag to give it a texture look after we put down all the blue for the watercolor. Ooh, it is cold outside today. These cans are frozen. Like holding an ice cube. It's great. Alright, we'll call that good for the reef. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take whites, light blue, medium blue, and dark blue. We're going to cover the whole thing. Start with the white here and get lighter or get darker and darker, kind of like the sun's coming in. So I'm going to actually start with the light blue. White corner. Darker blue. And then I got one more blue that's a little darker than that. Finish the rest up with that. Alright, so now I'm going to take just a plastic grocery bag, crinkle it up a little bit, go in and start shaping where the reef is at. White. Turn the bag inside out so I don't mix up all the colors onto it. It's the opposite side. Got some colorful reef going on there. I'm going to grab a palette knife. Let's make a little bit of paint there first. take some. Actually, I'm gonna take a piece of sea sponge. Dab on. Some color. Go with lime green and a little bit of yellow. So all I did was spray in this little tray here. Got a piece of sea sponge. Kind of like you make leaves or whatever on a tree. Some aquatic looking plants here. Couple spots. Overdo it with anything. Alright, now I'm going to take some clear coat. I'm going to wet this area. I'm going to use a palette knife to scratch in some other aquatic looking plant. Just going to scratch in little guys like that. Wiping that off because it's just, otherwise it just smears it off. So every time I go in, I just wipe it off on my glove. Push this thing to stop moving. Alright, now let's make the jellyfish on there. Actually, I'm gonna wet some of that down with the clear coat and go in. Try and make it look more like a rock edge. enough. To make these jellyfish, I'm going to just take this piece of poster board, I'm going to hold it on there and just miss some white.
Start of our jellyfish. So what I'm going to do now is take some clear coat, spray where I did those jellyfish. With a palette knife, I'm going to go in and try to make them look more like jellyfish. Now with the same tool that I sign my pictures with, I'm going to make little strings coming down from the jellyfish. Scratching them in. Kind of look like jellyfish. Well, there we go. Quick, easy little underwater spray paint art. Clear coat the whole thing, scratch in my initials, and quick, easy little spray paint art tutorial. Let it dry for a second before I can. Here, let it dry it on a little bit. Alright, there we have it. Jellyfish painting. So this went away a little bit, so I'm going to scratch them in again. Clear coated it. Okay.
kind of filled in where I scratched away. I'll just add them back in. Simple enough process. There we go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please do feel free to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like what you've seen. And hopefully we'll see you next week.